Hi Draw Searra Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sierra from Mermaid High. So let's get started. To draw this beautiful mermaid, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. I'm just going to make it a little bit more angular. So let's come right across about right here. And let's go ahead and connect it at the bottom. So I'm going to find my center to about right there, and then I'm going to go up. There, so just a little bit more angular, more pointy, not as round. Okay, so now that we have her face in, let's come back to where we started, and on the edge I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle. Nice big circle in this area. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And now my circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. And now that we have the eyes in, let's spruce them up with these beautiful lashes. So we can come to the side right here and draw 3 long lashes. The same thing here. 1, maybe the center one's a little bit longer, and then another one. Then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here in the center, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve, goes up, and cap it off. There. From there, let's go ahead and we're going to finish her face and put in her hair. So I'm just imagining an oval. So let's say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point, and this is where I'm going to go ahead and finish her face. I'm just going to draw this curve that comes down. So now that we have this curve in, this is where her hair is going to part on the side. So from there, we're going to use this point and we're going to go up for a strand of hair, nice and high, and then we're going to bring it down close to her eye, the other eye, and then we're just going to flare it out on that side. And then in the space right here is where we're just going to go ahead and finish her head, the top of her head. Her face, I mean, sorry. Okay, so we're just creating this oval. So if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish her head shape first, and then you can put in that strand. From there, let's go ahead and draw her brows because it looks really weird without them, right? So let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead, and on this side, we're just going to see part of it. So I'm just going to angle, just draw this little angle right here. And then on the other side, let's come about right here. And just angle up and down. So just arc it up and come down. And just thicken it up a little bit. There. Okay, so now that we have her brows in, let's go ahead and draw the top of her head. So right here where hair parts, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve right there. So this side is going to go up and this is going to come down. So let's go ahead and we're going to go up right here, come around, and nice full hair, and then come out right here, we're going to start to curve. And then on this side, you can do the same thing, just start to curve. There. And then for some details, we can, let's come about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a strand because in this area right here, kind of where her eye is, I'm going to pop in this ear, and I'm just going to draw a circle and then pop in her ear. She has these fancy earrings, but it's too complicated, so I'm just going to draw a curve, bring this down a little bit more, and then whatever space I have left, I'm just going to draw an indication of her ear. Then let's see here. And come here and draw a strand lightly, or you can do that when you're coloring. That's where her hair parts. And in this area, I'm going to go ahead and just draw 3 circles to simplify it. This little hair clip that she has. And then let's go ahead and work on her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So let's come to the center. We give her the neck. And then we're going to bring it down for her shoulders. And same thing here. There. And then we're going to come right here and give her this little piece right on her neck that connects to her top. So right there. And then we're going to imagine her armpits. So say about right here and here. Just give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to come about right here. And I'm going to draw a curve on both sides. And then we're going to come in, draw a band to about right there and there. And then we're going to draw 2 curves towards the center and another one. So we're just starting her top. And then from there, let's come down, angle it in, and here as well. There. So create her little, I think it's called a halter top, right? And then from there, let's go ahead and connect. I hope I'm right. And connect her little top. Then from there, let's come in. Just continue, slight angle, and connect once again with a curve. And now we can go ahead and start her tail and out. There. Okay, so then let's go ahead and draw her beautiful tail. We're going to bring this down. And about right here. Just simplifying, I'm going to just bring it out a little bit. So about right here, just going to curve it out and connect everything. So right here, just round off the tip and connect. So just giving her a little bit of movement. Then from there, we're going to draw her tail. So the center is right here. So let's come about right here. We're just going to wobble this beautiful tail, come to the center, and just fill it up. So say about right here. Just wobble. And I am totally simplifying it. It's very detailed, right? But hopefully this is enough. And I can come in here once again, very lightly. Or you can do this when you're coloring. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her hands. So I'm just having them to the side, nothing too complicated. So we're going to come down and just come out to about right here. Come back to where her armpit area is. And just follow your curve. And it's going to get thinner as we come out. And so say about right here, I'm going to go out with a finger, flare it out, and then right here a thumb, and connect. And then in this area, I'm just going to just draw this little bracelet made out of circles right here, just to simplify it. And then same thing over here. So let's come back out. And so we just want to make sure about right here. So now that we're done with her hands, let's go ahead and finish her beautiful hair. So I'm just going to wave it down and just tuck it in. So say about right here is going to come through. You can give it some curls as we come down here if you like. And same thing over here. Bring it through. And connect and bring it back in. And let's see here. For some details. And so now let's go back on her tail right here. We can come right here and just draw some details. I'm going to give it another band right here. And then she has these pearls that go around it. So let's come about right here, just to simplify it. And I'm going to draw a bunch of circles going all the way across at a curve. And then one strand that comes down right here. There. You can always pop this out a little bit so it looks like it's actually going around. And then she has a little bit more detail, so I'm going to come right here and quickly draw another strand. So once again, it's at a curve. There, you can pop it out, and one more. There. And then she has some star details right here. So I'm just going to draw maybe 3 stars. To simplify another one right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love my version here of Sierra from Mermaid High, and I helped you draw her fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.